In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a Shopify theme and customize your store's design in just a few minutes. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Online Store and then select Themes. On the Themes page, click Add Theme and choose Upload Zip File. Next, click Add File and select the Shopify theme zip file from your computer. Once selected, click Upload File and wait for Shopify to process the theme. After the upload is complete, the theme will appear in your theme library. You can click Customize to adjust colors, fonts, layouts, and other settings to match your brand. When you're satisfied with the design, click Publish to make the new theme live on your store. That's it! You've successfully uploaded a Shopify theme. Thanks for watching.